Welcome guys to Sapna Master IELTS, where I'll be telling you about the writing task 2, which was on 4th March 2021. Yes, the recent writing task. Today's writing task is in front of you. I'll be giving you the sample answers also. You have to subscribe to my YouTube channel for that, and also you need to write the hit button, like button also, the bell button. Then let's move ahead. This is the writing task. Some people believe schools should reward students who show the best academic results, whilst other think that it is more crucial to reward the students who show progress. Discuss both views and give your opinion. The predictions were really true because we told the students about discuss both views and give your opinion. So here it is in front of you. So predictions are always there in front of you with the ideas. Now, the sample answer is most schools award students who have done well in their exams. However, some feel that instead of awarding educational toppers, schools should appreciate the hard work of the students who show very good progress by rewarding them. In my opinion, there is need to reward toppers as well as those who show progress. So, in this case, you have given your point of view also, and this is the introduction part. Moving ahead, the rewards. What are the benefits of giving rewards? They inspire the students to work harder and achieve better results. Everybody likes to get the prize. Toppers are no different. When the school appreciates their hard work with the award, they'll be motivated to work even harder. What is more, a very good connector, their academic performance will also inspire the other students to study harder and improve their grades. If the school doesn't reward them, at least some of them will lose motivation and this may reflect it in their grades. At the same time, now you're giving another thing. At the same time, the toppers are not only the students who need appreciations, they are rewarded for their hard work. So you will explain this also. Now, rewards are given for a reason. As human beings, all are appreciated. When others acknowledge the effort, we will want. You cannot use we here. Instead of that, you can use people. Pupils will want to work harder and achieve great results. If schools only award educational toppers, others may assume that awards are not for them. In that case, they would give up even without attempting to get better grades. If, on the other hand, schools also reward the students who show improvement, then more and more students will want to improve their grades. So you have discussed both the point of views here. Then you will write the conclusion. The awards encourage all students to work harder. Therefore, in my opinion, it's necessary to reward not only the toppers but also the students who have shown the improvement. So you have linked the introduction with the conclusion also. So in this way, you have completed the task. Just make sure that you learn each and everything and you check the vocabulary, the synonyms. This was the writing task of evening slot. The morning slot is also there. Just watch the video till the end and you will get all the results. Work hard. Till then, wait for the next video. I'll be coming with the answers of reading and listening very soon. Take care, everybody. Bye bye.